Welcome class, I am Professor CM and today in Magic School we'll be learning the double lift. Questions already? Okay. Yes, you and the beanie and glasses. What's your name?
You can just call me V. My question is, what kind of weights will we be using?
No, this is sleight of hand.
So no weightlifting?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so back to the lesson. The double lift is a method of lifting two cards and showing them as one. There are many ways to achieve this effect, but we're going to be learning the absolute beginner method. Hey, V, pay attention.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're saying.
Okay, good. Now everyone grab your decks and hold the deck in a mechanic's grip like this, okay? Good. From here, you'll be using the thumb of your other hand, okay? Thumb of the other hand to count off two cards. We're going to count off from the back here. Count off 1, 2. Okay, now your thumb is going to be pushing against these cards here. Your index finger, remember, is on the other side. And now you'll easily be able to lift up the cards like this, but that's not what you want right now.
Double lift. Do you even lift, bro? I can lift circles around this guy. I probably should go to the gym someday. I've had a membership for like 5 years and never went. Maybe then I'll get a girlfriend. Nah, I just become a model.
V.
Yes, Professor, that was very helpful.
Can you demonstrate the double lift for us?
Yeah, of course.
Please, go ahead.
Okay, you got this. This is a breeze. What's that song? You put your right hand in, you pick the cards up, you put the cards back in, and you shake them all about.
What are you doing? That was weird. Now that he's gone, though, let's talk about the double lift.